Introduction to HTML Span. HTML tag is a fundamental part of HTML5. It is used to apply specific styles or perform unique operations on a piece of an HTML document. Understanding the HTML span. The span tag is an inline container used for marking up a part of a text or a part of a document. It is used for small chunks of HTML, like a short sentence or a word. Example, this is a span example span of an HTML span. How to style HTML span? The span tag is primarily used to add style to the text content. It becomes extremely useful when used with CSS, cascading style sheets. Example of coloring a specific text inside a paragraph using the span tag. This is a span style example of an HTML span. The difference between span and div tags are used to group HTML elements. The main difference lies in their display value. The span tag is an inline element, while the div tag is a block-level element. Tips and tricks. The span tag itself does not render any visual changes. Any aesthetic modifications should be made using CSS. Use span when you need to change the look of a small portion of your text, like a single word or phrase. For larger sections, consider using the div tag. Common errors and how to avoid them. Common mistake, forgetting that span is an inline element. To avoid this, use the div tag for block-level elements and the span tag for inline styling. Another common mistake, nesting block-level elements inside a span. To avoid this, always make sure the contents inside a span tag are also inline elements. Conclusion, HTML span is a versatile and useful tag in HTML5, providing developers with the flexibility to style and manipulate a specific part of text or a document. With a proper understanding of how the span tag works, you can effectively control the visual aspects of your web pages to a granular level.